Hi guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, my finger, I'm going to be addressing this in the next few videos. I was leaning on a wall. I'm just going to quickly say it because I go over it in all my videos of them in. I was leaning on what I thought was a wall but was really the hinge of a door. My boyfriend went into the bathroom, he went to shut the door. My pinky finger was in the hinge and it's like trebled in size and I can't move it. Don't know if it's broken or not, so we're just like strapping it together with this. So yeah, now in today's video I have the Lookfantastic birthday box. I have already opened it, so I do know the content of what is inside it. So if you do want to see what is inside the September 2020 Lookfantastic birthday box, please go ahead and just keep on watching. So first and foremost, this is how the box looks. So it is the standard Lookfantastic packaging, but only it says the birthday box in this gorgeous gold writing. And then when we open it up, we did of course get our leaflet with it to tell us what was inside it, and we just have this really nice orange wrap. Now as standard with beauty boxes, we have these little fuzzy things all over the place. Now first things first, I do want to say I did get a product in this box that I do no longer have with me at the moment. My apologies. We got the Ell Xx Pro Collagen Marine Cream and we got 15 mils of this, which is worth £30. Now that's not with me at the moment because when I got the box I looked into it and my mum and my nan, they loved the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and so it was swooped straight off me. So my apologies, I do not have that. However, that is a really good thing to include in one of these boxes, because anyone who's not familiar with Ell Xx, their products are really expensive, and the Pro Collagen Marine Cream in particular is so expensive. So it was really good and generous of them to include 15 mils of that inside this box. I was impressed by that. Now just going off of the booklet here, I will read you what it says. So the Ell Xx Anti-Aging Cream uses the maximum concentrate of Padina pavonica, a powerful marine extract, to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. How to use: apply daily to cleanse skin, massaging over the face and neck. So next we got a Jade Roller from the Brushworks. Now I love Jade Rollers. I do have one that I use all of the time. If you're not familiar with them, this is how it looks. So you have a larger side and a smaller side. The smaller side is perfect for rolling under your eyes, by where your brows are, just under them, down your nose, and the larger side is perfect for rolling out the rest of the larger areas of your face. Now I use this every day, so my boyfriend has already got dibs on the new one as I have my own. Now this is worth $9.99 and it says to really take your skincare regime to the next level. This Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need, working to alleviate puffiness and tension in the face. This tool is great for massaging your favourite serums, moisturisers and face masks into the skin. How to use: roll over your favourite serums, moisturisers, face masks for 5 minutes daily. So yeah, that's really good of them to include one of them in there. I've not seen one of those in a beauty box so far. I love my Jade Roller. I do find it reduces puffiness and I don't know, it just helps, like it says in there. Don't get me wrong, I put moisturiser on top of mine. I don't like roll my moisturiser in, but I roll my serums and my oils in, and I find it just really helps them sink into the skin nicely. So the next product that we have, I don't know if this is called ESPA or ESPA. I don't know how you meant to pronounce it. This is the Natural Beauty In a Calm Pink Hair and Scalp Mask. Intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. So I would definitely be interested in giving this a go because I have a really dry scalp. Like, I I get dandruff, but like sometimes I'm fine and I'll be fine for a long time, and then I'll just notice that like my scalp is flaking. So I would be interested in using this to see if that does help me out at all. Now there were two things that you may have got. So there were two variants of this. So obviously I got that one. However, the other product that they also included in some of their boxes was the ESPA or ESPA Purifying Micellar Water. So I got the mask. So that retails for £5.10. It says these ESPA or ESPA products are sure to help you feel revived and refreshed. The pink hair and scalp mud is a rich hair treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silky soft locks. The micellar cleanser, oh, we didn't get that, so we don't need to read that bit. And then it says how to use pink hair and scalp mud. Massage into scalp through damp hair, leave for 20 minutes and then rinse. So basically you just have to, I probably wouldn't get in the shower first. I would probably like just go onto the sink and just dampen my hair, put it in, leave it for 20 minutes and then jump in the shower and get it all out, and then shampoo and condition. This I didn't think it would. It doesn't have a price because it's just by Lookfantastic. It's not by anybody. This is just a little Lookfantastic beauty box. Is it called a pop sock? The ones that go on your phone. Do you know what? I have no luck with them. So that's my phone case. I did have one on right there and mine just popped right off, but I've had this a good few times now and I don't know what it is. I imagine I can't stick this on top. I don't know. We'll see, because if I can, I probably will, because they're always handy just to have on your phone just whilst you're cooking the tea. Pop it out, lash your phone on, watch your programme, you know, have the Handmaid's Tale on, and then just, yeah, go about your biz. Then we got a makeup brush by Ell Xx, and the website is www.luxiebeauty.com. This is the large shader brush 209. This looks a nice brush. I do like the colour of it with the rose gold detailing, the rose gold name, and then the pink handle. This looks quite nice. I will probably use this for either packing product all over my lid before I buff it out, or to be honest you could even use this for concealer, just really getting into the eye area or around the nose. Just looks like it would be really handy for that. So it says suitable for use with both cream and powder eyeshadows. Okay, I've got some nice Colourpop goodies on the way, so maybe I'll try it with them. This soft synthetic Luxie eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty kit. How to use: dip into any cream or powder eyeshadow and swipe across the lid, making sure to blend into the crease for added intensity. Wet the brush slightly before use. Don't do that. Don't wet the brush before use. You're just going to go into your products and absolutely butcher them. Don't wet it before use. Honestly, really bad instructions there. Do not do that, guys. Maybe like if you want an intense colour, dip into the eyeshadow and then spritz the brush with like a fixing mist. But don't like, oh my god, I can't believe they've just said that. Like, don't dunk your brush under the tap and then put it in products. You're just going to absolutely destroy it. Oh my god, why would they give that instructions if you're not into makeup? You'd probably just shove your brush under the tap and then wreck all your makeup. Bloody hell, Lookfantastic! Giving out terrible advice. And that brush is £15. I mean, don't get me wrong, I wouldn't pay £15 for it, but yeah. Then we got a lip liner. I love getting lip liners, honestly. It's one of those things, like eyeshadow palettes for me, I can't have enough of. Just can't have enough lip liners because I always lose sharpness. So once they're dull, that's about it for me. So this is by a brand, I've never heard of them, called Diego Dalaparma. And it says this is the Matita Labra lip pencil. Is this a Spanish or Mexican brand? So it says this is worth £9.32. This Diego Dalaparma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong colour payoff. When blended all over the lips, the matte finish will last hours. How to use: using a light hand, draw around your lip line and blend with your finger. Follow with your favourite lipstick or gloss for added longevity. I do that sometimes, you know, like if I don't want a harsh lip line, I'll like with my finger. This colour out looks gorgeous. Let's give it a, yeah. Yep. Right up my alley. It's like a gorgeous pinky shade. But it's got like a nice neutral warm undertone to it. Love it, love it, love it. And the final product that I got in my Lookfantastic box, don't get me wrong, for a birthday box I thought they could have gave us like one really like bougie product. So I do wish this was a full size, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm still happy regardless because I've never tried it. This is the ElsieMayMakeup Beyond Powder Highlighter and it's in the shade OMG. Oh my god. Now it's just like this. It's this mini one. Let's open it up. So it looks like a beautiful powder. There's no glitter to this at all. Now I can't even swatch properly. This is gorgeous. It's a little bit too deep for me, I want to say. However, I think this could be a nice highlight for me. Or if I'm going on a night out and I've got false tan, it would be nice for like on my shoulders. So that's how it looks. You can see that it's a really nice golden highlight. It's got, to be honest, it's quite rose gold. It's really pretty. It's just too deep for my skin tone. Like, have you seen me? Hello, I'm Casper's best friend over here. So there were two options that you could have got. Slightly devastated I didn't get the other one because I have been dying to try it. So the other option that you may have got was the Balm's Mary Luminizer. I would have died for that one. So the ElsieMayMakeup Mini Oh My God highlighter is worth £10. So it says get an enviable glow with these gorgeous highlighters, both with a shimmering champagne hue to complement your complexion. Perfect for illuminating the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones and Cupid's bow. How to apply: apply dry with a fluffy brush for a natural shimmer or with a wet brush for a more dramatic finish. Again, when it says wet brush, please do not dip your brush into water and then dip it into your product. Swirl your brush into your product and then spritz your brush with some Fix Mist and then apply it. For highlighter personally, just a little tip here, I actually don't find that's the best thing to do. Best thing that I could give you advice on, use this beforehand. So dip your brush into the product first, have your brush ready to go, product on it, get your fixing spray, spritz it all over your face so your face is quite damp, but like not too damp, you know what I mean? It's just a little bit damp from the Fixing Mist. And then put your highlighter on and that gives it a gorgeous intense glow. That is the best way, and then it's not dragging on your makeup or anything and you're not gonna move anything like foundation or powder around your face like you may do if you overspray the brush. Then we get a sneak peek of what to expect next. So the sneak peek is worth £14. It's by a brand called By Teddy. And I cannot read what it says it is, but it looks like it may be a clear lip gloss, maybe? We shall see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I only paid £10 for that beauty box, so I mean, I ain't mad at what I got. I was pleased with pretty much everything that I got in this box, to be honest. Do wish the highlighter was a different shade, but it is what it is. It's life. I'll find use for it as per. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, also before you go, if you do like my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one below, hit the one in the shape of a heart right here, or you can hit the one in the form of my big face at the end of the video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.